Coastal Broward County, Coastal Miami-Dade County, Coastal Palm Beach County, Far South Miami-Dade County, Inland Broward County, Inland Miami-Dade County, Inland Palm Beach County, Metro Broward County, Metro Palm Beach County, and Metropolitan Miami-Dade. In southern Florida, Glades and Henry. In southwest Florida, coastal Collier County, inland Collier County, and mainland Monroe. The hazardous conditions are expected from midnight tonight through Wednesday evening. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: enhanced tropical moisture is expected to pool across South Florida beginning on Tuesday. This will result in periods of heavy rain. High rainfall rates and slow-moving storms will result in flooding concerns, especially in urban and poor drainage locations. Rainfall totals from Tuesday morning through Wednesday evening are forecast to be 5 to 8 inches across southwest Florida and the Lake Okeechobee region, and 2 to 5 inches over the East Coast Metro, with locally higher amounts possible. Additional heavy rain is possible later in the week. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. These are the 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions on Monday, June 10th. At West Palm Beach, partly sunny. Temperature 90 degrees, dew point 78. Wind, south, at 10 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until 4 p.m. At 3:19 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Moore Haven, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Canal Point, Liberty Point, Clewiston, Sandcut, Parkey, Buckhead Ridge, Lake Harbor, Calusa, and Moore Haven. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the hazardous weather outlook for Atlantic coastal waters, southeast Florida, southern Florida, southwest Florida, and Gulf of Mexico. For today and tonight, thunderstorms scattered to numerous thunderstorms in Miami has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, excluding the territorial waters of Bahamas. Waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:45 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 25 nautical miles east of Miami Beach, moving northeast at 10 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until the hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. The following is a flood advisory for the following counties in Florida: Broward and Palm Beach. Issued at 4:38 p.m. Flood advisory in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for East Central Collier County Plaza and Big Cypress National Preserve. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. These are the 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions on Wednesday, June 12th. At West Palm Beach, rain and fog were reported. Temperature 81 degrees, dew point 79. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11:15 a.m. At 10:26 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 26 nautical miles east of Palm Beach shores to 13 nautical miles east of Ocean Ridge, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Riviera Beach, Ocean Ridge, Palm Beach, Jupiter Inlet, High Biloxo, Jupiter Inlet Colony, Juno Beach, Gulf Stream, Palm Beach Shores, Highland Beach, South Palm Beach, Manalapan, Briny Breezes, Tequesta, North Palm Beach, Jupiter, Delray Beach, Boca Raton, and Deerfield Beach. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. The following is a flood advisory for the tornado warning remains in effect until 10:45 a.m. for East Central Collier and Central Broward counties. At 10:28 a.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Miccosukee Indian Reservation, or 34 miles west of Pembroke Pines, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, fly. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Martin County until 11 a.m. At 10:32 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hope Sound, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Jupiter Island, Hope Sound, and Hope Sound Beach around 10:40 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hope Sound Wildlife Refuge. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. These are the 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions on Wednesday, June 12th.
Another one. We got 3 times in a row.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for southern Broward County in southeastern Florida until 11:15 a.m. At 10:52 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles south of Miccosukee Service Plaza, or 28 miles west of Pembroke Pines, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southern Broward County. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. These are the 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions on Wednesday, June 12th. At West Palm Beach, rain and fog were reported. Temperature 81 degrees, dew point 79. Wind south at 5 miles an hour. Pressure 29.95 inches and rising. Marine ops. Lake Worth recorded flood advisory for the following counties in Florida: Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie. Issued at 8:46 a.m. Flood advisory in effect until 11:45 a.m. this morning. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is warning for central Broward County in southeastern Florida
Number
until
9.
11:30 a.m. At 11:12 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Miccosukee Service Plaza, or 27 miles west of Pembroke Pines, moving north at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include West Broward Rec, area on Alligator Alley. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The tornado warning for central Broward County will expire at 11:15 a.m. The tornado warning that was previously in effect has been reissued for central Broward County and is in effect until 11:30 a.m. Please refer to the bulletin for the latest severe weather information. The following is a flood advisory for the following counties in Florida: Okeechobee and St. Lucie.
Again. Number 10. Great.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until noon. At 11:17 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles east of Juno Beach to 16 nautical miles east of Palm Beach, moving north at 10 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 60 knots. Source: radar. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Palm Beach Shores, Juno Beach, North Palm Beach, and Riviera Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.
We can meet, honestly.
The following is a flood advisory for the following counties in Florida. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Palm Beach County in southeastern
What?
Florida until noon. At 11:26 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lion Country Safari Park, or near Wellington, east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles.
I'm cooked.
Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include West Palm Beach, Wellington, Palm Beach Gardens, Green Acres, Royal Palm
Okay, now I'm cooked.
Comanche Groves, Lion Apache NWR. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Miami. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued flood watch now in effect through Thursday evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. The areas affected include portions of southeast, southern, and southwest Florida, including the following areas: in southeast Florida, coastal Broward County, coastal Miami-Dade County, coastal Palm Beach County, far south Miami-Dade County.
For the cell down in Broward County. So as we look at this area, it's just that polygon right there. We are under a flood watch. Now with the rain, sometimes it is tough to see those tornadoes because they're rain wrapped. So that's why a lot of these are radar indicated, and then they have to find out if there is actually any tornadic rotation. Now the storm just earlier in Martin County, there was reports of damage, so I'm sure they're going to be checking that out to see exactly what that was. But again, we do have a tornado warning now. The storm located near Lion Country Safari. It's moving to the north and moving to the northeast. And if you live in this area, shaded in with this red flashing polygon, it's now time to take shelter. So you want to be in an interior room.
At 11:45 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in I-75. Between 3 and 4 inches of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 4 to 6 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include West Broward Rec, area on Alligator Alley. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.